Do you have missing shingles, curled edges, ceiling stains, or a sag in your roofline? Ask yourself this: are you still dealing with a fixable problem, or are you putting money into a roof that's already too far gone? For Fox Chapel, Pennsylvania roof replacement, that question matters. Roof wear won't stay hidden for long. What starts as a few aging shingles can turn into exposed underlayment, moisture getting past the surface, and staining inside the house. If a roof is 20 years old or older, leaks keep coming back, or the roof deck starts to sag. Patching the same problem again rarely solves the bigger issue. Replacement usually becomes the smarter investment because you're treating the symptom, not the full system. At Mt.Pleasant Window and Remodeling, we keep pressure on the problem, not the person. Our goal is to look at what the roof actually tells us and give homeowners an honest recommendation without pricing games or today-only pressure. When replacement is the right call, we install a full GAF lifetime roofing system in Allegheny County. Instead of swapping out one visible trouble spot, we rebuild the roof as a system designed for protection, appearance, energy performance, and warranty support. Replacing the full system before the damage grows can better protect your home and often makes more financial sense than repeated repairs. We also build accountability into the job using digital photo documentation, internal and formal review by our experienced and capable team. If your roof is showing age, leaking, sagging, or losing shingles, don't wait for a small surface problem to become structural damage. Let Mt.Pleasant Window and Remodeling Company take a close look, explain what we see, and help you decide if a roof replacement in Fox Chapel, Pennsylvania is the smart investment for your home.